Hi, I'm Mark Wolters, and this is BA 320, Principles of Marketing. I'm here in Lucca, Italy, because, well, wouldn't you rather be in Lucca, Italy than Champaign? And this video is to give you an overall idea of what I expect of you, what you should expect of the class, what we're going to do, and things like that, okay? Now, I'm here in Lucca, Italy. Beautiful place. There's the Cathedral San Martino right behind me. There's beautiful walls here, all kinds of great stuff. And that's one thing you should know about me. I love to travel. I've lived in 9 countries. I've worked all over the world. I've taught all over the world. I love it. Okay? And so in the classes, I'll be giving a lot of international examples. Okay? But not only international examples, but there will be quite a few. Okay, a little bit about myself. I'm Mark Wolters. I have a PhD in management, actually focused in banking and finance. So for my accounting and finance students, I'm there with you guys, don't worry. I've worked as a marketing and strategy consultant for years in Eastern Europe. I've taught at university level classes for over 10 years. So I have a rough idea of what I'm doing in this class, okay? Now, what are you going to learn in this class? Basically, you're going to see how marketing is used in the business world in order to add value to your products, to your companies, these kind of things. All right? Of course, you're going to learn the 4 P's of marketing: product, price, place, promotion, all kinds of stuff like that. I mean, you're going to have a nice, well-rounded principles of marketing idea of what's going on, all right? And basically what I really like for you guys to have at the end of the year is, so I can put you even here in Lucca, Italy, and you can stand on a street corner and say, oh, I understand what all these people are doing. And also you can learn the tricks of the trade, so you will not get tricked by the marketers out there, okay? So that's what I expect. That's kind of like what you should expect to learn in this class. Now, if you're looking at course materials, there's a few things. Yes, we do have the textbook, which you need to get because, unfortunately, since we have 700 people in the class, that means it's going to be multiple choice exams, so it's going to be book kind of stuff. But the slides, they'll be on Compass or whatever it's called these days. But most importantly, what you really need to have is, 1, there'll be videos, summary videos of all the main topics, so very good for studying for the exam. On our YouTube site, youtube.com/WoltersWorld. It's Wolters with an O. Also, we have our Twitter feed, twitter.com/WoltersWorld. You'll see a theme here. On there, I'll be asking, when I ask questions in class, you guys will be tweeting the questions to Wolters World. Okay, the answers, I should say. All right. Also, we have a Facebook page, and all these on Facebook and Twitter, I'll be announcing every week what are the main topics we're going to talk about, or the chapters we'll cover in class. For that week, so you have a rough idea. So if you're really tired, like, I don't know if I want to go, you can look, say, oh, we're talking about branding. Oh, well, I want to know about that. You can go and do that. All right. So follow those. We'll have probably some cases and a few extra things, but those are the main case materials you're going to need. The book, which has some online stuff to go with it, and then the websites. Okay, and then the most important website is Wolters World. www.woltersworld.com. On there, I'll be posting all the videos because I can't post them on Compass. They'll be on the YouTube one as well, but I'll have them more focused on the website. There'll be the videos, the slides will be there. I have all that available for you. Also, the slides will be available on Compass. Don't worry. Reviews for the exam, typical questions, all these kind of things. We'll have all that on the website, and if it's something like a PowerPoint or Word, I'll have it on Compass as well. So don't worry, you can get all these things. All right. Now, that's kind of some overall news and ideas you need to have. Now I have the bad news for you. What you're actually going to have to do in this class. I know some of you are seniors in accounting, thinking, dude, I'm here to finish this stuff so I can go work at one of the big firms and I don't need you. Yes, I know, but you still have to do stuff. I know it sucks, but we have to do it. What you're going to be doing is we're going to have 3 exams, okay, multiple choice exams. They're going to be about a month and a half apart. They are not cumulative. So the first exam will cover everything we covered up to the first exam. The second exam will cover everything from the end of the first exam to the second exam. I think you guys can figure it out from there, okay? So it's not going to be cumulative. With the exams, they're multiple choice. You need to be there. They will be in class, so come early. Bring your pencil. Have your ID. If you have ideas, that would be good for the exam. Have ideas, which I'm going to talk about. No, but have your idea because we have to check these things off, okay? I trust you, but, you know, the university has its rules, okay? With the exams, if you can't make it to the exam, if you're sick or whatever, you will have to bring an emergency letter from the dean, and if it's your great 3rd aunt, 5th removed, neighbor's cousin's sister, yeah, that's not going to fly, okay? I reserve the right to call the funeral home and make sure you were there and see the people there, so just know, be there, okay? Because if you can't take the multiple choice easy exam, or the multiple choice exam, you will have a very hard essay exam to make up for it if you can't make it, okay? So Just come for the multiple choice. You'll be fine. Besides, there's only like 4 or 5 answers you can get, guess right. All right. Other stuff you're going to have to do. There'll probably be a couple online assignments, okay, which we'll talk about in class. Also, there's a syllabus quiz in the beginning, because I always find it funny when students ask me like 50 times, when's the exam? When's the exam? When's the exam? I'm like, it's on the syllabus, it's on the syllabus, it's on the syllabus, and they never check. So we're going to have an exam, or a quiz, on the syllabus. So basically know when the exams are, what we have to do, where's my office, things like that, okay? So there we'll have that, just so we have some basic stuff out of the way. What else? Oh, there's some good news with the grading. I do have a lot of extra credit. You can do the experimetics, be guinea pigs or lab rats for the PhD students or whoever that are doing their experiments. We have that. You can sign up for those. You can write a marketing plan, 8 to 10 pages for any non-profit group. Just check with me to make sure it's an okay non-profit. I mean, I don't want you to do it for the, I'll just say, I would prefer you do it for a company that's trying to save the world kind of stuff. That would be nice. And then the third extra credit option is we actually have a viral marketing an online marketing viral competition, which you will compete with other students to earn more extra credit points. So there's a lot of extra credit stuff in there to help you out. Also with the grades, we do the plus-minus system. I do believe a 0.45 rounds to a 0.5, which rounds up one. So that's always helpful, so you know that. Other notes I have for you is when you come to class, look, we're going to be packed. If we're in, if it's 350 people in a class, and we're in this room for 350 people, it's going to be quite cozy, let's say. Please have respect for the people. If you're going to talk to your neighbor, talk in a whisper, because I reserve the right to make fun of anybody in class, okay? I will pick on you, and don't worry, it will not affect your grade. It will just actually probably help your grade, because I know who you are. Just kidding. It will not affect anyone's grade. But please have respect for the other people in the class. Don't talk out loud. You whisper among each other. If you're doing your Facebook and all that kind of stuff when you're there, at least have the Wolters World Facebook page up and have the Wolters World Twitter feed up, so while you're checking your other Facebook, there's at least that. And I'm not going to ban electronic equipment in class, because we will be using Twitter when I do have in-class discussions, because we will have in-class discussions. We have 350 people. You're going to talk to the people all around you, okay, and just tweet me up some answers onto the board when we have some discussions, okay? I don't know. Other advice I can have, make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube so you can get all the videos, and follow us on Twitter and these things, and I'll post the videos on YouTube. Well, the YouTube ones, they come up when they want, but on Facebook, and I'll have a blog for each day's topic on there, so you can, if you miss some of the class, or you slept through some of the class, or I wasn't yelling enough to wake you up, they'll be on there, so we'll have that. So the blog on Wolters World will give the main things for that day's class. We'll have videos on YouTube, so subscribe to that. Twitter will let you know what's going on. So there's all kinds of interaction on there, okay? And the last thing I'd tell you to do is make sure you actually read the real syllabus. It's on the website, okay? Just go to Business Courses BA 320, that's this class, and then it says BA 320 syllabus. That's it. Go there. You can always check and see what's going on there. Very simple to follow, okay? Because there's a lot more on there in terms of what I expect and what you should expect, rules, regulations, because this is not everything. There's more out there. So I hope we have a great semester. I love teaching. I love being in front of the students and all kinds of stuff. I think you guys are going to be a great class. Just know most of the time when we're freezing cold, in winter in Champaign, I'll be thinking about Lucca, Italy, where it's 95 degrees right now and sunny. Well, the clouds are coming in, but it's sunny. So let's have a great semester. I look forward to seeing all of you in class at least once or twice, or 3 times, because there's 3 exams, so hopefully you'll come more than that. Oh yeah, and the syllabus quiz. So at least 4 times you're going to be there, okay? Otherwise, I hope you have a great semester, and I look forward to seeing you in Business Administration 320, Principles of Marketing at the University of Illinois. And, oh yeah, I'm Mark Wolters. Bye.